Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel. I, Neelam here. Today, I'm going to teach you here chapter number 18, that is data handling. Today, my topic is bar graph. Today, you are going to learn about a bar graph. A bar graph which displays information using bars or rectangles is known as a bar graph. This is bar graph. This bar graph shows the favorite pets of class 5 students. Read the bar graph and answer the questions. So in this bar graph, this is information about what favorite pets of class 5 students. So on horizontal axis, this is called horizontal axis. Okay, we call this x-axis here. Horizontal axis, this is vertical axis. Okay, horizontal axis and vertical axis. On horizontal axis, what we take? We take favorite pets. Favorite pets are dog, rabbit, parrot, cat. And on vertical axis, we take number of students. How many number of students are liking a particular animal? Okay, so favorite pets, here units are given 0 to 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25. So here scale is chosen. 1 unit is equal to 5 students. Okay, so here scale is chosen 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So gap from 0 to 5, this will be 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to how many students? This is 5 students. Okay, here on vertical axis we have taken number of students, and on horizontal axis we have taken favorite pets. Favorite pets are dog, rabbit, parrot and cats. So when you look at this bar graph, so which is the highest bar here? Vertical bar. This is the highest. This is the highest vertical bar. So it is for dog. It is for dog. So from here we can conclude कि dog is the favorite pet of maximum students. Maximum students how many? 20. 20. So you will see the arrow at the top of the rectangle here. This arrow at the top of the rectangle corresponding to the dog here, corresponding to the dog, touches the number 20. This bar is here. The red arrow at the top of the rectangle corresponding to the dog touches the number 20. Touches the number 20. So dog is the favorite pet of how many students? 20 students. 20 students. Okay, so dog is the favorite pet of how many students here? 20 students. Okay, so you can use a ruler to find the number of students corresponding to an animal. Okay, in here arrow is used here, you can use scale. Okay, you can put scale along this red line and you can check for what number of students corresponding to an animal. Then at second number, this is rabbit. This bar is for rabbit. So rabbit is the favorite pet of how many students? This rabbit is favorite pet of how many students? This is 15. 15 students. So you will say कि rabbit is the favorite pet of 15 students. Then number 3 here, parrot. This bar is for which favorite pet? Parrot. And parrot is the favorite pet of how many students? Here, this is, what will you show? You will see the arrow at the top of the rectangle corresponding to the, here, parrot touches the number, which number? 10. 10. Hence, parrot is favorite pet of how many students? 10 students. Then here it is cat. Cat. Cat is there. So, cat is the favorite pet of how many students? What will you do? You will see the arrow at the top of the rectangle corresponding to the, here, cat touches the number 5. Touches the number 5. Hence, cat is the favorite pet of how many students? 5. Cat is the favorite pet of how many students? 5 students. This is about bar graph and some questions based on bar graph. Then comes practice zone 4. The information about the games played by the students of grade 5 is displayed on the following graph. Read the bar graph and answer the following questions. So here, game played by students of grade 5 means class 5. Here games are on horizontal axis. Games are hockey, cricket, volleyball, basketball. And on vertical axis, games are number, here on vertical axis, here this is for number of students, and on horizontal axis the games are hockey, cricket, volleyball, basketball. Okay, on horizontal axis you are given games are hockey, cricket, volleyball and basketball, and here number of students. Here scale is 0 to 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 1 unit is equal to how many students? 2 students. Okay, it is 2 students. So when we look at this bar graph and look at the questions, and you will give the answer. Which game is played by the maximum number of the students here? Which game is played by the maximum number of students here? So which is the tallest bar here? Which is the highest bar here? Highest bar here is basketball. So what will you write? Basketball in place of which game? You will write basketball is played by the maximum number of students. Then question number 2 is B part here. Which game is more popular? Try to understand the question. Which game is more popular than volleyball but less popular than basketball? Now, in between here, there is no bar between volleyball and basketball. Which game is more popular than volleyball but less popular than basketball? So, there is no bar between volleyball game and here basketball. So, what will you write here? None. None game is more popular than volleyball but less popular than basketball. You will write here none. None. Okay. So, which game is least popular among the students? So, which is the here smallest bar here? Smallest bar here. So, which game is least popular among the students? That is cricket. This is nowadays it is cricket. Here, according to this bar graph, here cricket is least popular among the students. Okay. Here, according to this bar graph, students are interested here in basketball. Okay? Then in the next video, I will teach you practice zone 5, that is based on double bar graph. Okay? Double bar graph, this will help us to compare two kinds of information using two colors of bars side by side. Okay? So this is a double bar graph. I will teach you it in the next video. Okay? So your work is complete, practice on 4, and try to read page 191, 192 and read the examples. Stay alert, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.